Welcome back to our channel, where we talk about affiliate marketing. Today's topic is a little different, however. We'll discuss why most people fail to make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money online, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Many people dive into affiliate marketing, thinking they'll start making money in days or weeks. However, that's not the case. One of the primary reasons people fail with affiliate marketing is that they need to treat it like a real business. They must put in the time, effort, and resources required to succeed. Affiliate marketing involves a lot of patience, dedication, and hard work to start seeing results. Another reason people fail is that they need to choose the right niche or products. The key to affiliate marketing success is finding a niche you're passionate about and products you genuinely believe in. If you're not passionate about your place, you won't have the motivation to keep going, and your content won't resonate with your audience. Similarly, promoting products you don't believe in will make you appear insincere, and your audience won't trust you. Researching and choosing products that align with your values and are genuinely helpful for your audience is essential. Another common mistake is not investing in the right tools and resources. You don't necessarily need to spend much money, but investing in the right tools and resources can help you scale your business and make it more efficient. For example, investing in a good website builder, email marketing software, or social media management tool can make a big difference in your affiliate marketing efforts. So, there you have it. These are some reasons why most people fail to make money with affiliate marketing. Remember, affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires hard work, patience, and dedication to start seeing results. Please choose the right niche and products, invest in the right tools and resources, and treat it like a real business. Remember these tips, and you'll be on your way to success in no time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more affiliate marketing tips and tricks. And, as always, leave your thoughts and comments below. We'd love to hear from you.